Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Madam, and I'm coming back to you once again. This time, I'm going to go over to E! News, and this is an update on the situation with Michael Oher and the Trudy family. Michael Oher subpoenas Trudy's agent and the Blindside filmmakers in legal case. Amidst Michael Oher's ongoing legal case against the Trudys over conservatorship, subpoenas have been issued to the production company behind The Blind Side and the couple's agency, and more. I will list the article writer and all of the details in the description, as I always do. But it starts by saying Michael Oher is taking steps to move forward with his lawsuit against the Trudy's family. 2 weeks after the retired NFL star, whose story served as the basis for the 2009 film The Blind Side, filed a legal petition against Sean and Leah and Trudy over his conservatorship. His legal team has issued 3 subpoenas seeking information from the production company behind the movie, the family's talent agency, and his former school district. According to the 2 subpoenas obtained by E! News August 29th, issued to the Creative Artists Agency and Alcon Entertainment by Shelby County, Tennessee Probate Court. Oher's attorneys are asking for all documents and communication concerning the football star, including contact information and payment related to the film, as well as books written by the couple or their foundation. The third subpoena, per documents obtained by the Associated Press, are asking for all Oher's school records and any communication related to him that took place between the Memphis Shelby County school system and the Trudys. Earlier this month, the 37-year-old filed a 14-page legal petition alleging that the Trudys lied about adopting him after he turned 18 in 2004 and instead became his conservators, accusing them of earning millions by profiting off of his life story in the process. After filing his petition, the former Baltimore Ravens player spoke out about the difficult situation previously, telling E! News in a statement that he will let the lawsuit speak for itself, as he should. The latest legal filings also come just days after Alcon Entertainment co-founders and co-CEO Andrew Kosub, I apologize if I mispronounced their names, and Broderick Johnson shared how much the Trudy family was paid for the Oscar-winning movie amidst conflicting reports on their financial gain. In a statement obtained by E! News August 24th, the pair, who were also producers of the film, said the family's contract did not include significant payouts in the event of the film's success, adding that the notion that the Trudys were paid millions of dollars by Alcon to to the detriment of Michael Oher's is false. The two also stated that their company also paid about $767,000 to the talent agency representing the couple in Oher. In response to the lawsuit filed by Oher, Marty Singer, a lawyer representing the couple, fired back at the accusations in a previous statement to E! News, alleging that the athlete was using it as a shakedown effort and that his claims about the family are outlandish. Meanwhile, the Trudys have since shared their intent to end Michael Oher's conservatorship. How convenient. After nearly 2 decades, E! News has reached out to Alcon CAA and the Trudys for comment and has not heard back. And that is the end of the article. As it stands, apparently, Michael Oher is not backing down. He is coming for every piece, of document and information that pertains to him, just to, prove his case or whatever the case is. I still find it very interesting that they want to end their 2 decade or almost 2 decade conservatorship, not adoption, but conservatorship, after all of this becomes public. Um, you know, but they want to shake them down. If he was being shook, if they were allegedly, all of this is allegedly. This is not based behind any fact or any evidence that I have or anything that can prove either or party. But it's very interesting that, they wanted to end it after 2 decades. And if problems existed between Mr. Orr and the Trudy family, why were they not compelled to end their conservatorship, way before this even became public? I'm pretty sure that either side is going to do their best to try to prove their case, but I just think that it's really crazy. The movie Betrayal was an adoption. When they spoke at interviews, they did not, I don't think they made it clear that it was a conservatorship. This is actually the first time that I've actually heard about them having a conservatorship, because I was under the impression that it was an actual adoption. I had one person come in my comment. It was like, "Oh, well, his biological parents have nothing to do with this." However, what is important to take away is that the Trudy family, they said that they wanted to adopt him and give him a loving and stable home, partly due because of their Christian values. Christians, they do conservatorships, they just don't adopt people right out. I would think that adoption would be more better. Just like I told the gentleman or woman in my comment section, adoption is very different from conservatorship. Conservatorship pertains to more so of decision making, in regards to a person, like a overseer or something similar to that. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Whereas though adoption, it is an emotional process that people go through to make a person a part of their family, a legal part of their family. It's more emotion based than a conservatorship. Conservatorship gives me more of a business deal, while adoption is more of an emotional thing for all parties involved. And apparently, that's what, the Trudy family is claiming, that, they loved Michael or whatever the case is. But nevertheless, if subpoenaed and if it goes through and it is approved, or whatever steps that they have to take, I don't know. They will have to show all that information. The school will have to show all that information, even if a judge has to rule on that. So it'll be very interesting to see what pops up and what gets missing. Or I'm not saying that it will get missing. I'm just saying allegedly will go missing or whatever the case is. I also find it very interesting that the people that actually did the movie are coming to speak for the Trudy family. And I mean, who else knew that the talent agency was actually owned by the family, in regards to the movie production that dealt with the production team? I definitely did not know that, so that is some new news for me. But as always, I would definitely love to hear from you guys. So join me down in the comments section and chop it up with me. I have gotten some really good comments mostly, And I just want to take this time to thank each and every person for, taking the time out your day to comment on my videos. I truly do appreciate it, regardless if it's, negative or positive or confusing or just outright, we don't know what you're talking about. But either way, I am appreciative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And with that, you guys, I will get with you in the next one.